Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your TV platform and that Netflix is installed. This saves time. Next, pick a VPN known for bypassing streaming blocks and fast servers. Once chosen, install the VPN app directly on your smart TV if available. Otherwise, install it on your router or a connected device like a Fire TV stick. Make sure you have your VPN account credentials ready, and note which server locations are recommended for Netflix access before moving on. Now log into the VPN app on your TV or through the router interface using your account details. Then select a server tagged for streaming or located in the country whose catalog you want. Server location affects available titles. Once connected, make sure the TV's IP reflects the VPN location by checking an IP lookup if possible. Then force stop Netflix, clear its cache, or simply restart the app, so Netflix refreshes location data and avoids showing your open Netflix and search for a title exclusive to the target country to confirm success. Play a short clip. If Netflix still blocks you, disconnect and try a different streaming-optimized server, or enable Smart DNS from your VPN dashboard if available for better compatibility. Make sure to reboot your router or TV after DNS changes. If problems persist, check for DNS leaks and then contact the VPN support with app logs. They can suggest specific servers or steps to resolve streaming blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.